Hi friends, this video shows how to hide apps on home screen. Here on home screen you can see WhatsApp. I am going to hide this WhatsApp. First tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Tap and hold. Tap on settings. Then tap on hide apps on home screen. Tap here. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this phone. From this list let me find WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp. Done. Now we can see WhatsApp under hidden apps list. See, tap on done. Okay, done. Let me verify. See, WhatsApp is not visible in the home screen. So this way we can hide WhatsApp from the home screen. So next I will show you how we can open WhatsApp. So we have two options. We can search, or again tap and hold on the home screen. Go to settings. Go to hide apps on home screen. Remove WhatsApp from this hidden apps list. Just tap here and remove. Then tap on done. Okay, let me verify. Close this. See, now we can see WhatsApp here on the home screen. So this way we can hide apps from home screen. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.